Hello, amazing viewers. Today, we're diving into a topic that can transform your life, rekindle your spirit, and bring a burst of joy to every moment, boosting energy, performance, and vitality for men over 50 with natural, delicious solutions that harness the power of nature's finest offerings to elevate your everyday experience. If you're 50, 60, 70, or soaring magnificently beyond, reaching new heights of wisdom, experience, and resilience, this video is crafted just for you, offering a powerful, inspiring, and practical guide to elevate your energy, enhance your daily performance, and feel vibrant, strong, alive, unstoppable, and truly in tune with life again, no matter where your journey takes you in this vibrant year of 2025. As a dedicated health expert with a deep passion for wellness and a commitment to your success, I've spent years admiring the incredible potential of the human body, especially how men in their later years can remain strong, active, full of life, capable of achieving new goals, radiating positivity, and inspiring others with their vitality when given the right support and care. Yet, it's all too common to face energy dips, persistent fatigue, reduced physical performance, a sense of slowing down, moments of doubt, and the weight of daily demands as age progresses, challenges that can dim the spark of your golden years and make even simple tasks feel heavier than they should. Here's a surprising, uplifting, and empowering truth that will ignite your hope and spark your motivation. You can reverse these effects, reclaim your vigor, rediscover your youthful zest, and embrace each day with renewed purpose with the right nutrition. And it all begins with something as simple, accessible, delightful, and transformative as the fruits you choose to eat every single day to fuel your body and soul. In this video, I'll introduce 5 fruits specifically selected for men over 50 to boost energy levels, support muscle strength, improve stamina, enhance mental clarity, promote heart health, and naturally elevate overall vitality in ways that will surprise, delight, motivate, and inspire you to take action with confidence. These fruits aren't just tasty and refreshing, they're packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, and health-boosting compounds, backed by cutting-edge scientific research, and perfectly suited for staying active. Whether you're powering through a busy workday with focus, enjoying quality time with family with laughter, hitting the gym with determination, exploring new hobbies with curiosity, volunteering in your community with energy, or simply savoring the beauty of an active, fulfilling lifestyle that reflects your best self, this is your opportunity to turn back the clock on tiredness, break free from fatigue, overcome limitations, and embrace a lifestyle of strength, enthusiasm, well-being, and joy that showcases the incredible man you are. So, grab a glass of cool, refreshing water to hydrate your body, set a positive and energizing tone, support your journey to vitality, and keep your system running smoothly, or perhaps a soothing cup of herbal tea to calm your mind, enhance your focus, connect with the moment, and create a peaceful start. Find a comfy spot to settle into, maybe near an open window to feel the gentle summer breeze, in a cozy corner with your favorite chair, or alongside loved ones who share your health goals, and join me on this nourishing, life-affirming, transformative, and community-building journey together. Every bite you take, every fruit you enjoy with intention, can be a powerful step toward a more energetic, fulfilling life, and every choice you make today can unlock a future of health, happiness, resilience, and a legacy of wellness that inspires those around you, strengthens your family, and leaves a lasting impact. Are you ready to boost your energy, enhance your performance, feel unstoppable at any age, and share this wisdom with others? Let's dive in with open hearts, curious minds, a shared commitment to thriving, a passion for living life to the fullest, and a desire to uplift each other. 1. Banana. Bananas are an energy powerhouse for men over 50, a true gift from nature that fuels your day with every sweet, satisfying bite, and keeps you moving forward with strength, stamina, and a smile. Rich in potassium and vitamin B6, these yellow wonders reduce muscle fatigue, support energy production, help maintain healthy nerve function, play a key role in keeping your heart and muscles in sync, and promote overall cellular health, essentials for staying active, resilient, and ready for life's adventures as you age. According to Journal of the American College of Nutrition, potassium can decrease muscle cramps by up to 20%, a common and frustrating issue for men over 50, especially during exercise, long walks, or even household chores. While vitamin B6 aids in metabolizing proteins and carbohydrates for sustained, steady energy that lasts throughout your busiest hours, from morning meetings to evening relaxation. The natural sugars glucose, fructose, and sucrose offer an immediate lift without the crash of processed snacks or sugary drinks, making it a perfect, wholesome pick-me-up that supports your body naturally. Eating a banana in the morning as part of a balanced breakfast to kickstart your day, as a pre-workout snack to power your routine with strength, or even as a midday boost to recharge during a busy afternoon can provide a quick energy surge and keep your muscles ready for action, whether you're lifting weights, playing with grandchildren in the yard, tackling household tasks with ease, or enjoying a spontaneous dance with your partner. Ahmet, a spirited, determined, and health-conscious 58-year-old, added bananas to his breakfast routine after feeling sluggish and out of breath during his daily walks. His energy soared. He noticed better workout results with stronger lifts and longer endurance, and he could play energetically with his grandchildren in the park without tiring, reclaiming a joy, connection, and vitality he thought was lost to time. Try grabbing a banana today. Pair it with a handful of almonds for extra protein and healthy fats to balance the meal. Slice it into your oatmeal for a hearty and delicious start, or blend it into a smoothie with spinach for a nutrient-packed drink, and share your experience, your favorite way to enjoy it. How it changes your day, and any new energy boosts you feel in the comments. I'll be cheering you on with every energizing bite, every step toward a more vibrant you, and every moment of renewed strength. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are a performance protector, packed with antioxidants that keep you going strong, shield your body from the inside out, and enhance your quality of life with every bite. These tiny blue gems are loaded with anthocyanins, powerful compounds that reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, combat oxidative stress, and support cardiovascular health, factors critical for maintaining energy, physical performance, and overall well-being as you age and face the demands of an active life. European Journal of Nutrition highlights that regular blueberry consumption is linked to a 15% increase in cognitive function and physical stamina, making them a dual booster for your brain, helping you stay sharp during meetings, remember names, or plan your day and your body, ensuring you can keep up with physical activities like gardening or golf with ease and confidence. A daily serving of half a cup can sharpen your focus, reduce the mental fog that sometimes creeps in with age, protect your joints and muscles from wear, and even support your immune system during seasonal changes, giving you a holistic health upgrade. Mehmet, a thoughtful, engaged, and active 65-year-old, started eating a handful of blueberries with his morning yogurt after noticing memory lapses and a dip in his usual enthusiasm. His memory sharpened, his days felt more active and productive. He tackled his woodworking projects and family conversations with renewed vigor and clarity, and he found joy in sharing stories with his kids again. Add them to your breakfast for a colorful and antioxidant-rich twist. Blend them into a smoothie with spinach, a banana, and a splash of almond milk for a nutrient-packed drink that fuels your morning, or enjoy them as a standalone snack during a break to recharge your mind, and let me know how they transform your routine, your energy, your mental sharpness, and your outlook in the comments. Let's celebrate your vitality, your progress, and your inspiring journey together. 3. Watermelon. Watermelon is a hydration hero that revitalizes your vitality, turns every summer day into a refreshing adventure, and keeps you thriving through the heat. With over 90% water content, it combats dehydration, a silent energy drainer, performance thief, and health saboteur, while delivering lycopene, an antioxidant that supports heart health and protects against cellular damage, and citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood flow, reduces muscle soreness, and enhances recovery after effort. Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests citrulline can enhance exercise recovery by 10 to 15%, making it a perfect ally for active men looking to bounce back from workouts, long walks, or active play, while its high water content keeps you hydrated, cool, and energized under the sun or during indoor exertion. Its natural sweetness, juicy texture, and vibrant red color make it a refreshing treat, especially in the warm months, and it's a guilt-free way to recharge your body and spirit. Ollie, an energetic, outdoorsy, and determined 62-year-old, started eating watermelon slices after his evening workouts and weekend hikes. His stamina improved, he felt lighter and more agile during his walks, he could explore new trails with his dog without fatigue setting in, and he enjoyed picnics with friends with a renewed sense of adventure. Slice it up after a sweaty activity to rehydrate and recover. Blend it into a cooling drink with a hint of mint or lime for a refreshing twist that cools you down. Or enjoy it as a post-lunch dessert to satisfy your sweet tooth healthily. And share your favorite way to enjoy this hydrating fruit, how it boosts your day, and any new outdoor plans it inspires below. Let's hydrate, thrive, and explore together. For avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-packed performer that supports long-lasting energy, brings a creamy richness to your plate, and nurtures your body with every spoonful. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that provide sustained fuel. Vitamin E that protects cells from damage and slows aging signs, and B vitamins that aid energy metabolism and support nervous system health. It offers a steady source of power for your body and helps maintain muscle health, skin elasticity, and overall resilience as you age. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition links avocado intake to a 20% boost in nutrient absorption, including carotenoids that support eye health, antioxidants that aid muscle repair, and fats that enhance the uptake of other vitamins, ensuring you have the stamina for both physical tasks like gardening and mental efforts like planning your week. Its versatility makes it a kitchen favorite and a meal enhancer. Hassan, a robust, fitness-focused, and optimistic 67-year-old, added half an avocado to his lunch salad after feeling low on energy and noticing sore muscles. His endurance grew. He felt stronger lifting weights at the gym. He could keep up with his weekly hiking group with a smile, and he enjoyed cooking for his family with renewed zest. Spread it on whole grain toast for a hearty and satisfying breakfast that starts your day right. Mix it into a salad with tomatoes, olive oil, and a sprinkle of salt for a nutrient-packed meal that delights your taste buds. Or use it as a base for a guacamole dip at gatherings to share health with others, and tell me your recipe, how it fuels your day, and any new dishes you've created in the comments. Let's savor the strength, creativity, and connection together. 5. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a vitality booster with powerful antioxidants that ignite your inner fire, awaken your spirit, and propel you forward with every sip or bite. Packed with polycalogens and anthocyanins, it reduces inflammation, improves blood flow to nourish your muscles, heart, and brain, supports endurance, and fights the effects of aging on your body. Journal of Medicinal Food notes a 12% increase in exercise performance with regular consumption, thanks to its ability to enhance oxygen delivery, reduce fatigue, and promote recovery, making it a perfect pick for men aiming to stay active, climb hills with ease, or dance at celebrations. Its tart, juicy seeds are a treat for the senses and a feast for your health. Osman, a lively, adventurous, and determined 70-year-old, drank a glass of pomegranate juice daily after feeling winded on hills and losing steam on long walks. His energy surged, his stamina improved, he enjoyed longer hikes with friends while taking in stunning views, and he rediscovered his love for nature, photography, and shared adventures. Try it as a fresh juice with a touch of honey to balance the tartness. Sprinkle the seeds over a salad for a burst of flavor and color, or enjoy it as a standalone snack to savor its unique taste, and share your results, your favorite preparation, how it lifts your spirit, and any new outdoor goals it inspires below. Let's embrace vitality, explore new horizons, and uplift each other together. Conclusion. Incredible viewers, these 5 fruits: banana, blueberries, watermelon, avocado, and pomegranate are your natural, delicious keys to boosting energy, enhancing performance, and reclaiming vitality after 50, turning every day into an opportunity for strength, joy, and a life well lived. We've explored the science behind their remarkable benefits, from potassium's muscle support to antioxidants' performance boost and hydration's revival. Celebrated Ahmet, Mehmet, Ali, Hassan, Osman, and others on their inspiring journeys of recovery, resilience, triumph, a renewed love for an active life, and the connections they've rebuilt, and shared a wealth of practical, tasty, and life-enhancing ways to incorporate them into your routine with confidence, care, enthusiasm, and a sense of purpose. Start today. Enjoy a banana for a powerful breakfast kick to launch your morning. Snack on blueberries to sharpen your mind and brighten your afternoons. Savor watermelon post-workout or on a warm day to recover and refresh. Add avocado to your meals for lasting energy and a creamy delight, and sip pomegranate juice or sprinkle its seeds to ignite your vitality and end your day with strength. Live with energy that fuels your mornings with purpose. strength that carries you through challenges with grace, and joy that lights up your evenings with laughter. Embrace a lifestyle where every bite builds a healthier, happier you. Every step reflects your resilience, and every moment showcases your vitality. If you found this video helpful, please like it to show your support, subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's grow this community together. Share your favorite fruit, your personal success story, a new recipe you've tried, or a goal you've achieved in the comments below. We're united, compassionate, motivated, vibrant, and supportive community dedicated to a healthier, more energetic future for all men over 50, growing stronger, wiser, and more connected. With every video, you're stronger than age, wiser than you know, and capable of incredible, life-changing, age-defying transformation. Rise up, take charge of your health with every fruit you eat. Embrace each day with a body that thrives, a mind that shines, a heart that beats with purpose, and a spirit that inspires. And share your journey of vitality, resilience, a love for life that moves you forward, and a legacy of wellness that echoes through time, touches every heart, uplifts every family, strengthens every community, and creates a wave of health that flows into the future for generations to come. Let's make it happen together.